Hello dear students. Good morning. This is Tithi Man. Today we will going to read the first chapter of your course book named Radiant Readers. So before going to the first chapter students, let me tell you something. From this chapter we will only practice reading. So students, our name of the first chapter is Playing with the Ball. So dear students, listen to this chapter carefully and also read with me. And now let's look at the video. Take out chapter number 1, page 11. Let's start the first chapter, children. Name of the chapter is Playing with the Ball. Let us listen and repeat. All, ball, fell, hill, will, call, fall, well, mill, roll. Now come to the story, children. Raj and Ali are good friends. Raj goes to Ali's house to play. Ali's father has a small mill. The mill is near a hill. One day the boys went up to the top of the hill. Ali said, "Let us play with the ball." "Yes," said Raj. "Throw the ball to me. I will catch it." Turn on the page, children, page number 12. Ali threw the ball, but it fell down and began to roll. It rolled and rolled, and the two boys ran after it, but the ball fell into a small well near the mill. "Daddy, Daddy," Ali called out, "our ball fell in the well." Ali's father came running. He took a pail and got the ball out of the well. "Thank you," said the boys, and they ran off to play again. So this is the story, children. Now few word meanings, children. First word is mill. So meaning of the word mill is factory. The second word is roll. Roll means to revolve. Third word is well. Well means a deep hole to obtain water. Fourth is pail. Pail means bucket. So children, let's come to the summary of this story. This story is about two friends named Raj and Ali. One day, Raj went to Ali's house, and Ali's father had a small mill near a hill. One day, they both went up the hill and start playing with the ball. As Ali threw the ball, it began to roll, and ball fell into the well near the mill. Ali called his daddy, and his daddy came running. He took a bucket and got the ball out of the well. Boys thanked Ali's father and ran off to play again. So this is a short summary of the story, children. But tell me, what lesson we get from this chapter? Yes, dear children, we should always be thankful to the person who helps us. So children, here we end the reading of the first chapter. You all will practice and read the chapter again and again. And that's all for now. And also, my dear students, For conversation, learn basic things that you get in EVS, like how my body works and my body needs food, and also things that will be taught in GK or general knowledge. So children, here we end the reading of the first chapter. Hope you all enjoyed it. You all practice reading at home and also learn spellings from your book. And also practice some conversations which is also given in the video, and hope you all enjoyed. Stay well and thank you.